You will learn how to generate music, all right, with Google Gemini AI feature. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Here I'll be using Google Chrome, okay? Once a browser opens, visits this web link, gemini.google.com/r. I'll press enter for it to search. So here am I, the web page has opened. So the next step you need to take is to click on this plus sign here. You'll be presented with some options. Click on more tool. All right, more tools. You'll be given this option, create music. All right, so click on that. It's a new feature. So it says try template or describe a track in charts. Create with Lilia 3. All right, so you can click on any of these and use it as a template to create yours. Okay, but say I want to give it a specific task for it to do for me. So I will describe it here. Once you type in the text, it will give you something like this. Okay, and look at what I have here. I say my friend Michael Ben is having his birthday celebration on 25th June 2026. That is 3 days from now. All right, create a niche birthday song for him with professional sounds. So your own may be different. So just describe what you want it to do for you. I'll click on send. So give it time for you to come up with it. All right, look at what it has here. It says, I have created a special birthday song for Michael Ben. All right, you can play it directly in the charts. Happy early birthday to him. If you take your cursor here, you will see some icons. Here you can click on show subtitles for it to show you the subtitles to the song so that you will follow easily as it plays. Then here is download track. Maybe you want to download it. Just click on this download icon. Okay, which I want to do in this case. So once you click on that, you see video, which is audio with cover art, or you just want only the audio. So let me go with audio with cover art. Okay, so I'll click on this first option and you can see it's downloading. So let's think of another one. You can see share. Maybe today is the exact birthday. You can click on share, get the link to this audio and then send it to him. Let's try it out. So I'll click here and you can see it's generating the link and it's copied automatically, but even upon that you can still click on copy link. All right, and send to him, maybe through Facebook or even email or through WhatsApp. So you can paste the link to his WhatsApp chat with you and you will play it and be happy. So these are other options. Volume, all right, mute track, maybe you want to mute it, but I don't see the need for you to mute it because we are here to listen to it. So let's play it to see how it sounds. All right,
yeah, another circle round the sun, June 25. Just watching how you grow, man, makes me feel alive. Oh, this is more than just a day for my...
you can see it's quoted the date I gave to it. So that's one beautiful thing about customization. All right, or if you play it to the end, you may find out that it mentions the person's name. So just create your music. All right, create a song, create a track the way you want it. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Hit the like button and see you some other time.